2002 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab, 118,000 miles, super low mile for the year, an amazing condition for the year, not a door ding on this truck. Super clean, super straight, no rust, Texas vehicle. Tow package, bed liner, bed extender. I dare you to find a Frontier in this condition. Alloy wheels, tires are in phenomenal condition. Super clean and straight truck. Cloth interior. Carfax report, no accidents. Aftermarket Pioneer radio. 118,000 miles. Kind of low on gas right now. Trailer control, brake. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Yes, this truck is really this clean. A 2002 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab XE, 118,000 miles in remarkable condition.